Mucus clearing agents. Various compounds have been developed to aid in mucus clearance, including guaifenesin, ammonium compounds, ipecacuanha, creosote, and squalene. Scientific evidence supporting the efficacy of these ingredients is sparse. Guaifenesin is believed to enhance respiratory fluid secretion, making mucus less thick and easier to expel. It is a safe medication, with very few interactions, and is the only compound in this category with some evidence of efficacy. Cough-reducing medications. The following medications work by suppressing the body's natural cough reflex. Their efficacy as relates to acute coughs is of most interest, as those with chronic coughs should seek medical advice. Codeine. Codeine is often seen as the gold standard for cough suppression, though its efficacy in acute coughs is up for debate. Fulcodine. Fulcodine's cough-suppressing properties have long been studied, but its true efficacy is yet to be confirmed. Dextromethorphan. Research is limited, and though considered safer than codeine, studies on its efficacy have had mixed results. Antihistamines. Antihistamines are believed to work by drying up mucus in coughs, not by their action on histamine, though the evidence is not conclusive. Soothing agents. Soothing agents like simple syrups or honey and lemon are believed to reduce throat irritation and subsequently reduce coughing, with honey possibly, but not conclusively, more effective than a placebo. We really hope you enjoyed our video and found it informative. Please kindly give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe for more content. Please give us your suggestions for future topics in the comments section.